Hello, good morning everyone. To all my friends and respected teacher, today I am going to tell about the duck. The duck is a useful domestic animal. If it is appropriately trained, it is found all over the world. It is an omnivorous animal. It eats meat, rice, flakes, etc. It also drinks milk. It's, it seems to be found of having bones of other domestic animals. It is completely useful to us. It guards our house and property. Someone unknown to it cannot get into the house. It is very sensitive towards any slightest sound and smell. Therefore, it is oily used to arrest the criminals. It is profoundly faithful towards its master and mistress. It does not sleep soundly. We have many stray dogs which can go mad. They are very dangerous for other domestic animals and human beings. If dogs are kept and trained appropriately, they are really advantageous to human being. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, dear my friends and my respected teacher. Today I am going to talk about the rivers in Nepal. Nepal is rich in water resources. There are many rivers in Nepal. The main rivers are Kosi, Mechi, Mahakali, Gandaki, Bagmati, Rapti, Karnali, etc. Each big rivers has several tributaries. The biggest rivers in Nepal is Kosi, the deepest is Narayani, and the longest is Karnali. Most of the rivers in Nepal rise from mountain. We can irrigate our farm and run many hydroelectricity projects by use river water. Human use rivers for uh, irrigation in agriculture, for transportation, for drinking water, and some leisure activities like swimming, boating, and rafting. Rivers in Nepal are advantage, but during rainy season, this river get overflowed and destroy the fields and buildings. Unfortunately, some people are killed in the floods. Although rivers on a few drawbacks, and they rely on many more advantages. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, my dear friend and respected teacher. Today I am going to talk about water. Water is one of the most important gifts of nature. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. We cannot live without water. If this earth does not have water, any living beings cannot survive here. All the plant and animal require water for their survival. It is said that most of the earth's surface is covered by water. We get it from resources such as oils, rivers, streams, lakes, seas, ocean, and so on. If it is boiled, it evaporates and it solidified. If it is frozen, it is used for cooking, bathing, washing, and so on. Thank you, sir.
Hello, good morning, my dear friend and respected teacher. Today I am going to speak about domestic animal. Domestic animals such as cow, dog, buffalo, etc. are domestic animal. They are human beings. We like them very much because they are lovable, innocent, and ignorant. They are component part of human life. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, my dear friend and respected teacher. Today I am going to tell about Nepali teacher. I study at Sri Janta High Secondary School and Morang. I like all the teachers who has taught me in different level. Among them, Mr. Rana Nepali. He is tall and fat man with brown eyes and curly hair. His body looks healthy and strong, attractive. His teaching is very perfect and clear. He loves all the students, dears everyone. His teaching is perfect, satisfactory. He expects that all the students should be as disciplined as he is. In fact, I like him very much. He is one of the best teacher of our school. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone, dear my friends and respected teacher. Today I am going to speak about patriotism. Patriotism is a great virtue which owns its name to the fact of being loyal towards his own country. It is a noble statement that it carries positive and supportive to the motherland by individual groups. Patriotism is defined as loves and loyalty for his country. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell about cow. The cow is a useful domestic animal. We human beings like it very much. We worship it. It has a long tail which is used to drive away the flies and gnats. Its two horns are used as the weapons. It lives on grass. That is why it is called a grassivorous and herbivorous animal. In its nature, it is very simple and it seems to be kind. In our country Nepal, it is the national animal. It is greatly advantageous to human beings. It gives us milk, from which different types of sweets are made. Its milk completely good for us. Its dongs used to as the fertilizer in the field. Even after its death, its bones and skin are used to make different kinds of goods. For example, bag, belt, jacket, etc. are made from its skin, and indeed cow is a part of human life. Thank you.
Hello, good morning my dear friends and respected teacher. Today I am going to speak about water. Water is one of the most important gifts of nature. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. We cannot live without water. If this earth does not have water, any living thing cannot survive here. All the plants and animals require water for their survival. It is said that most of the earth's surface is covered by water. We get it from various resources such as wells, rivers, streams, seas, oceans, and so on. If it is boiled, it evaporates and it solidifies. If it is frozen, it can be found in three forms: liquid gas and solid. It can dissolve many substances. It is called a good solvent. It is widely used for various purposes. It is used for drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, etc. Without proper irrigation, we cannot grow crops, fruits and vegetables. Without which our life cannot exit appropriately. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, respected teacher and my dear friend. Today I am going to talk about the electricity. Electricity is the most useful factor to the modern development of human world. It is a useful servant if it is properly and wisely used, but it can be dangerous enemy if it is not properly used. It can be produced cheaply by using hydropower. That's why various hydroelectricity projects have been established. We can use heat and light our homes, cook our food, and drive machinery, all of kinds. In all these ways, electricity power helps us. So that electricity is one of the most important of invention science. Thank you.